Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So today I got Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and today I'm going to show how to flash the OneUI 7 portrait ROM on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Well, now bar with the OneUI 7 portrait ROM is working fine with this port, and also the secure folder working very fine with this ROM. In case if you are using secure folder, you can use this OneUI 7 portrait ROM and you can enjoy or you can keep your data secure, keeping it in secure folder. I am using this OneUI 7 portrait ROM like from 1 week, and things are working very fine. This is almost a stable ROM and you can use this ROM like a daily driver. Those who want to see or who want to know more about this ROM, I have uploaded another video already which I have reviewed this ROM. I will leave the link in this video description. You can watch that video, that how the ROM is working, what are the things working. Then you can decide either you want to flash this ROM or not. Let me tell you one more thing, that this ROM is only for the Exynos chipset model. In case if you have Snapdragon Note 10, do not try to flash. This ROM is not for the Snapdragon devices. Now, if you want to flash this ROM, watch the further video. Do not forget to like the video if you are getting help from my videos. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then just click or tap the subscribe button. Thank you so much. So here is my downloaded folder and I have downloaded all the files already. So we have to download the Odin pack, which is having TWRP, and the Odin pack must be according to the model. My mobile phone that I currently have is N975F. Yes, we have to download the cleaner file, the repartition file. This is the EternityROM version 5.0. D2S means that I got Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Note 10 Plus code name is D2S. We have to download the Odin also. Let me show how to download the files. Go to the video description. You will see the link with the password provided. Copy the password from the video description first. Then click the link. The website will get open. Erase the password that you can see already. Then paste the newly password that I just copied from there. And then click unlock. So you will see a categorize folders. First, we have to download the Odin pack. Click on the Odin folder and you will see a bunch of files over here. Now let me tell you one important thing, that you can see that version 2.0 is also available, but we have to go for the version 3.0. If you are flashing OneUI 7, do not go with the version 2.0, otherwise you will get an error. This 2.0 is for the OneUI 6.1.1. So we have to go with the 3.0 if we are flashing the OneUI 7.0. Now you have to check the model number of the mobile phone that currently you have. For example, I have N975F. So I will click on this file to download the Odin pack. You need to check the model number of your mobile phone, then accordingly download the file. Do not try to flash the N975F file on any other model. It will not get flashed. Then click back to go back. Then click on the repartition folder. Once again, you will see there are few files which is like version 2 and version 3. But we have to download the cleaner file version 3 if we are flashing the OneUI 7. So we have to download the repartition v3 file and the cleaner file v3. Do not try to download the v2 if you are trying to flash the OneUI 7. Go for these two files for the OneUI 7, right? Download cleaner file v3 and download repartition file v3. Then go back, then click the ROM folder and you will see a few files also over here. OneUI 6.1, 6.1.1, and the EternityROM version 5.0 is basically OneUI 7. Now you need to check the code name of your mobile phone. For example, my mobile phone Galaxy Note 10 Plus Exynos model code name is D2S. So I will click this ROM file according to my mobile phone model number. I will not flash the D2X on my D2S. You need to check the code name download the file accordingly. Otherwise, you will get an error if you are trying to flash the wrong file. So I am back to my downloaded folder. And one more thing, I have provided the Samsung Android USB driver link in my video description. If you are not having install on your Windows, then try to download the Samsung Android USB driver. Install it first on your Windows, so the Windows will detect the mobile phone. In case if you have downloaded or installed it already, then there is no need to reinstall. Now, first extract the Odin in same folder. Then open the extracted folder of the Odin. Double-click the Odin file to open it. Click OK on this pop-up window. And on Odin, click any slot. I will click AP slot. Then I will go to my downloaded folder and I will select the Odin pack file N975F because my model number is N975F. I will double-click this file to select it. Now Odin is almost ready to flash the recovery file. Coming back towards my mobile phone. So I have flashed back the stock firmware on my mobile phone because I want to show the procedure from the scratch. Now there are a few things that we have to do before starting the flashing procedure. First of all, you need to check the mobile phone battery. It must be charged. Like the mobile phone can get the ROM easily. Then save all the internal storage data. Otherwise the data will get formatted. Either you can save the data to your computer hard drive or use the USB OTG cable to save the data. In case if you have micro SD card, you can save or you can transfer the data to the micro SD card. Whatever options you have, just use it for saving the data. And in case if you have any important messages, you can make a backup, or if you have a recent call list that you want to make a backup, then in both cases, there are few applications available on the Play Store. Download it and make a backup of the messages and recent call in case if you like to have it. Connect internet on your mobile phone. After connecting the internet on the mobile phone, then go to settings and then go to lock screen. Select the lock screen swipe to turn it off. Then go to accounts and backup, then manage accounts. In case if you are having Samsung account, sync your Samsung account once, then must remove it to avoid issues. Same way, sync your Google account once, must remove it to avoid issues later on. Now I will go to about phone. My mobile phone is Galaxy Note 10 Plus Exynos chipset. Model number is N975/DS. Both IMEI numbers present over here because this is the physical dual SIM mobile phone. I will tap the software information. Currently, my mobile phone is on the stock firmware, which is OneUI 4.1, Android version 12. And the build number, if you can see the last digits or alphabets, is WG9. This mobile phone cannot be updated officially to Android 13, 14 or 15. But if you have Exynos chipset mobile phone, you can unlock the bootloader and you can flash the portrait ROM, updated portrait ROM, make the mobile phone update to the latest Android or OneUI. Now tap the build number for 7 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to turn on the developer mode. I will go back to settings, then tap the software update and tap download and install to check the updates once. In my case, my mobile phone is already updated. I will go back, then I will go back once again and I will scroll down, then I will tap the developer options. Now in my case, because I was having an unlock bootloader, that is why the OEM unlocking is already turned on. But maybe in your case, the OEM unlocking must be turned off. So we have to turn it on before unlocking the bootloader. If we did not turn on this OEM unlocking, the bootloader will never get unlocked. Turn it on, the OEM unlocking, and we are done. Now we simply power off the mobile phone. If you have done all these things that I just told, the mobile phone is supposed to be properly power off. You need to check the data cable. Always use a good quality of data cable. The other side of this data cable must be connected with computer. Now we have to boot the mobile phone into Odin mode. The mobile phone is supposed to be totally power off. Press and hold the volume up key, volume down key, then connect the cable with the mobile phone. You will see a warning screen. Immediately release both keys. Now we have to unlock the bootloader. On this screen, you can read volume up, long press to device unlock mode. Press the volume up key for little long. The another screen will get appears. Then release the volume up key. And on this screen, volume up for yes, volume down for no. I have to unlock the bootloader. Now, let me tell you one more thing. When I press the volume up key, the mobile phone bootloader will get unlocked and the mobile phone will reboot. And when it's reboot, then immediately I will press and hold the volume up key, volume down key once again to let my mobile phone to boot into warning screen once again, because I do not want to let my mobile phone to boot into stock ROM, right? Pressing the volume up key, so the mobile phone bootloader will unlock. Now press and hold the volume up key, volume down key to boot the mobile phone into warning screen. Now the bootloader is unlocked. Press the volume up key once to boot the phone into ordin mode. This is the ordin mode screen of my mobile phone. KG state is supposed to be show checking. If your mobile phone KG state showing pre-normal or something else, then you need to boot back to the mobile phone to the stock firmware and do the software update thing once again. The FRP lock must show off. The OEM lock must show off in a brackets U, which means that the bootloader is already unlocked. So the phone got booted into ordin mode, connected already with the computer. Ordin detected the mobile phone. COM4 or in your keys, maybe COM4, COM5, COM7, whatever the option you can see, doesn't matter. This only means that the phone or the mobile phone get detected by the Windows. On the Odin, press options, untick the auto reboot, then go back to log, then click start to start flushing the Odin pack recovery file. Yes, you will see pass message succeeded 1 means that the Odin pack got flash. Click exit, then go back to the downloaded folder. The mobile phone still booted into Odin mode. Now, you need to check the data cable must be connected. Do not disconnect the cable from the mobile phone. Now we have to boot the phone into custom recovery from the Odin mode, right? Press and hold the volume up key, volume down key and power key. When mobile phone restart, release the volume down key first. Okay, now wait. When Samsung logo appears, then release the power key. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the phone will boot into Odin mode. I just released the volume up key, right? Because my mobile phone was having a stock firmware, it was having a lock bootloader. I unlocked the bootloader. That is why the phone will boot into TWRP. It will do some erasing thing, then it will restart maybe once or maybe twice. In case if your phone is not having stock firmware, then this thing will not happen, right? Just wait, it will boot into TWRP. So the custom recovery screen got appears. Swipe to allow modifications. Now first of all tap wipe, then tap format data, type YES, then tap here. When done, then go back to main screen, tap reboot and tap recovery. I got the recovery screen once again. Swipe to allow modifications. The internal storage will get appears on the computer screen. Go back to the downloaded folder. And first of all, only copy the repartition file v3 from the downloaded folder. Go to your internal storage of the mobile phone and paste the file on the internal storage. Now come back towards the mobile phone screen. Tap install. Select the repartition file by tapping on it and then swipe. The flushing will get started and it will automatically reboot when the flushing done. Swipe to allow modifications. Once again, the internal storage got appears, but you can see that I cannot copy anything on the internal storage. After flashing the repartition file, we have to format data once again. Tap wipe on the mobile phone screen, then tap format data, type YES and tap here. Then go back to main screen. When it is done, then tap reboot and tap recovery. Swipe to allow modification. And this time the internal storage will get appears once again with a proper format. I will go back to my downloaded folder, and this time I will copy the cleaner file v3 and the ROM file from the downloaded folder. Then I will go back to my internal storage and I will paste both files on the internal storage of the mobile phone. Copying files will take a little time. Both files got copied on my mobile phone internal storage. So right now I am done from my computer and coming back towards the mobile phone. I can disconnect the cable from the mobile phone and then I will unlock the screen of the custom recovery. Then tap install and select the cleaner file first, v3 version by tapping on it. Then swipe to start flash. And it will also reboot automatically when it is done. Once again, swipe to allow modifications. Then simply tap install once again on the mobile phone screen. And this time, tap to select the ROM file. Swipe to confirm flash. And it will ask to avoid any issues, please format data under wipe format data. I will do this when the flashing gets completed. Now press the volume up key to continue. I will press the volume up key so the flashing will get started. Now the flashing will take a time. Now we have to wait here. Finally, flashing got completed. Script succeeded. And now go back to main screen and do the format data by tapping the wipe, then tap format data, type YES and tap here. When done, then simply tap reboot system. The ROM got flash and the mobile phone will stay little long on this screen. Then finally the mobile phone will start booting to the OneUI 7 ported ROM. The first boot will take a little time. First boot completed. The OneUI 7 welcome screen got appears on my mobile phone. I will complete the setup screen. Finally, the OneUI 7 wallpaper I can see on my Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which is old mobile phone. I unlocked the bootloader and I updated the mobile phone from Android 12 to Android 15. ROM got flash very smoothly. So these are the applications that coming pre-installed with the ROM. And this ROM is rooted with kernel KSU Next. We'll tap the settings. Then we'll go to about phone. You can see that same model Galaxy Note 10 Plus N975F/DS, both IMEI numbers present over here. We'll tap the software information. Now the mobile phone got updated from OneUI 4.1 to OneUI 7.0, from Android 12 to Android 15. Google Play System update now got updated 1st Feb 2025. Baseband version provided. This is the kernel version, and the build number, if you can see that, EternityROM version 5.0. I hope you got help from this video. Do not forget to like the video and keep watching my videos. Subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Take a good care of yourself. We'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.